Hi, welcome to the another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all. You really like my videos. God bless you. I make many videos, but still people asking me this question. I'm gonna make another video. It's a new video this month of July 2025. So if you're new to Uber, you want to start Uber, you got your PCO license, what to do? Get the car. So before getting the car, you can set up your Uber account. You can just register. Then you cannot go to the Uber office, because you have to go once Uber office when you get your PCO license, because they will take your picture and check the document. So here I'm just gonna start as a new Uber driver, because a lot of people are getting their PCO license. So first you need to download this Uber driver app, and if you do not register, just register. If you need the link referral from me, then please WhatsApp me. You can see my number, then I will send you the link. You can get some money, I will get some money as well. So open this Uber driver app. So if you new, just they will say register the email, sign up. Then you sign up, they will tell you the step what to do next. Upload the document, then you have to do some courses. When you done all the courses, then they will say book the apartment. So if you have a PCO license, then book the apartment. You cannot book the apartment if you don't have a PCO license. So when you have PCO license, then book the appointment and go to Uber office. Then your account is ready to activate. But before that, you have to upload the car's document, insurance, everything. If you want to show you, just click on these three lines. If I go to account and document, so you will need these documents. If I want to show you now, look, your driving license, this is the first you will do it, but to activate, you have to register on the car. Private hire vehicle license is different with the PCO license. Then V5 of the car, insurance, MOT. Okay, so if you have insurance your own name, you don't need these kind of permission letters, just you only need insurance. Okay, so when you have all these, then your account is going to be look like this. Means if you press go, you will be able to go online if your everything is okay. Hope so you will get this stage quickly. Then there's other things if you must know these ones. On the bottom left, you can see this sign. If you click that sign over here, then you will see this. Means depend on your car. I have a Mercedes E-Class. This fulfill executive. So you can tick untick whatever you want to do it. Like Uber X Pool. You will get more job in X priority and X. And if you have an executive car, you will have this option. If you don't, then otherwise you don't have it. If you have a comfort car, then you will have this option. If you have a Uber Lex, means seven seater, then it's going to be Uber XL. Then if it means more expensive car, then it will come Uber Lex option as well, like a luxury. So this is that selection. I'm gonna do some jobs because I have an E-Class. I'm gonna untick these ones, because if I do these job, executive, business, comfort, I can get more money. Depend on the day, place as well. And this is the area preference. If you want to work in your area, you can untick other one like this, then you will get the more job. If you don't want to go to the city, you can untick city and tick the other one. You will not go to city. If you have an electric car, you can go there, because a lot of people don't want to go because of the connection charges. Okay, so that's, and if you away from your home and you want to come back, but while you're working as well, so there's an option. If you click here and just you put your postcode, so you have a 2 destination filter. This means that if you want to come wherever you want to go, you can select that postcode and just press go. Then Uber will give you that job which is close towards that destination. This is a very good option I every day use. So it's 2 available, but if you have other options, electric cars, means if you executive, then you have a 6 option, but it's depend on the account as well. Other things, this is your rating. I have got 4.97. I got 4.2 5-star. So whatever the people give you the feedback, you will see over here. Most of the time bad feedback, they put it over here. So keep an eye on that, because this is important. Sometimes they put hold. If the people complain a lot, they put hold on it and they do investigation. They ask a lot of questions from you. And this is blue thing, and this is just you play around. If you blue and you get these rewards. If you have gold, then a diamond. You my first job, how I can do it. So if I depend again, I am on comfort, business comfort and executive. I am in Croydon area. If I press go, then whatever, I'm gonna get the job. So you should do it. And other one thing, I don't know which map you are used to it. So you should select the app as well. If you go to account here and go to app setting, navigation, I like Google Map. So you can press Uber, Waze, whatever, because if you're not familiar with Uber map, it's going to be difficult. When you're going to get the job, it will give you the option, which I will show you later on. Then you can press that button. It will open in Google Map automatically, but you have to press that button. So we're going to start now. Let's see how it goes. So this is a 6:20 now. So I'm going to start the job in a couple of minutes. So I'm going to start, press go. So if your all document is ready, you're ready to go like this. So it's 6:30. I hope so. It's going to be busy, because it was very busy in the morning. Yeah, depend on the time, day, matter, everything, and place as well. So I'm going to move my car a little bit. One more thing as well. If I select Uber X, let's see if I can get some jobs for Uber X. So let's see if I select X priority and X, look how I'm gonna get the job. Hope so. Uber X, you can see that as well. So I'm gonna take this job. So just press
Head
this
to
one.
your pickup at 11
So it will
Cuthbert Road.
show you to where to go. So where you can see navigate. If you select Google Map, then just press navigate, and here, then it will take you there. So I'm gonna go here now. So look, I said it's depend on the area and the options which you are selecting. So because I have E-class, I'm gonna do executive jobs. I need to go to the place, mean city. But let's start this one. So while I'm picking this one, I'm gonna give do one more trick. I'm gonna go to my Uber app, then I'm gonna go here. So I'm gonna untick this X and X priority, that because while you dropping the other customer, while you're on the job, Uber give you the job as well. So I want to get executive jobs. So let's see. So I just dropped the customer. While I was dropping, I got the job as well. You can see it was a comfort job. So what I need you to do, just complete it, and that's it. And rate rider, if it's good, just give 5 star. So I received the money. I will discuss about the job. I think the rider canceled it. I did not notice that. it will show you I got 930. Yeah, so I will talk about the money as well. If you work, I believe, then you get good money. If you work, if you give time, Uber give you the option to make good money as well. Yeah, so that's the if you are new, you confused, you should not be confused. It's very easy, just you need to get the experience. Then you will get expert, trust me. Do a couple of hours, then I will make the another video. So this is the end of that video, which you just find out how to do the first job. So again, if I go here and select Uber X priority X, then I will get the job. So I'm still in Croydon area, so I'm gonna move a little bit in a city, near city, then I can get these executive jobs more. But it depends on the day as well, time. Sometimes you get executive job where you are. So thank you so much for watching this